So I'm going to start off by duplicating this picture. And then I want to just hide the top layer and click on the bottom layer. And then on the clone brush tool, I just want to clone the background to paint over the veil. And then using the in-painting brush, I'm just going to paint over some of the areas that need a little bit more work. And I'm just going to bring back the top layer, and on that layer I'm just going to make a selection around the veil. And then I'm just going to add a mask layer. And then click deselect and rasterize. Now moving over to liquify, I'm just going to start dragging the veil out. And then I'm just going to add a empty mask layer. And so then to bring it back, I'm just going to change the colour to white on the paintbrush, and I'm just going to start painting. And I want to focus the majority of it at the very start of the veil, and then kind of fade out at the end. And I'm just going to change the brush so we get different effects and different sizes. I'm just going to keep doing that. And then if you want to take it any way, just change the colour to black and then paint back over. And now I just want to add some more random bits. So I'm just going to add a pixel layer, and then on the paintbrush, using that same brush, I'm just going to colour select the veil. I'm going to bring in this PNG of seagulls, and I'm just going to colour fill the seagulls to match the veil. And I'm just going to keep the blend mode on normal, but I'm just going to bring the opacity down. And then I'm just going to rasterize it. And on the move tool, I'm just going to position it and change the size, and then I'm going to duplicate it. And I'm just going to drag them to another position. And I'm just going to repeat this a couple of times, so the closer to the start of the veil, I want to try and make the seagull smaller and get bigger as the veil goes out. And I'm just going to flip them around as well so they're not all going the same way. And then using a Smart Selections brush, I'm just going to paint over two of them. That way I just get those two rather than the whole group. And then I'm going to add a mask layer. Then deselect, and then I'm just going to move them too. And duplicate them as well. And again, I've just brought in some other seagulls as well, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to change the colour of them to match the veil. But I'm going to change them to soft light and bring the opacity down a little bit. And then I'm just going to keep doing this until I'm happy with it. So now I just want to change the colours in the picture, so I'm going to add a curves adjustment. And I'm moving through the red, green and blue channels. I'm just going to mess around with the curves until I've got it how I want. So I want the highlights to be a lot warmer and the shadows to be more cool toned. I'm going to add a colour balance adjustment, and clicking on the highlights I'm just going to bring in some yellows and some reds. And shadows I'm going to bring in some blues and greens. And then the midtones I'm just going to bring in a little bit of warmth as well, so I'm going to add some yellows and magenta. I've gone back on the curves adjustment and I'm just messing around with the colours a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in the filter studio and click the slider that says add live filters. And then I'm going to click on depth of field blur. So I just want to place that so the centre of the circle is covering the birds and the woman. And then I'm going to bring the clarity up and the vibrance up and then the radius up as well. And this will just help blur the edges and bring more focus to the woman. And then adding a fill layer, I'm just going to change the colour to a warm beachy orange. And then I want to change the blend mode to soft light and I'm going to bring the opacity down. And now I'm just changing the colour so it's a little bit more red. And again, going back on the curves adjustment, I'm just going to keep messing around with the colours. And I just want to bring back a little bit more of the veil.